43.
Recording in progress.
Looking to be short right here at 43. This price comes up here. I'm looking short at 43 right here. Three, 43, 43. Hopefully this level doesn't get front run. Let's see here. Like this is that level right here, 43. This drop base drop right here. This drop base drop right here. You see that right there? This is the level right here, but you know, that's the whole level right there. So we have 45 down to 40 and 3/4. So that's a 5-point zone on this 1 minute chart. 5-point zone on a 1 minute chart. I want to be short at 43. I like 43. Open that thing up a little. Looking for a nice rally into this level. 43. Limit 43. So we talk about this, how it's important to identify the whole zone, you know, so you can see where these, so we can understand where all the unfilled sell orders are. We're looking to be short right now. So you good, Shannon, on these lower time frames, right? How to identify that whole level?
Yeah.
Awesome. Wait. Patiently wait. Patiently wait. All right, so we see how price is coming right here, close to our level, right? And you know, I'm sure this has happened to you before, Shannon. You know, where you want to jump in right now. You see price going away, but this is the importance of patience. You know, we identify the area where we want to be short, and we just patiently wait on that area because we know that there's an imbalance between buyers and sellers right here at this level. We know that there's no limit buy orders. There's more sell orders than buy orders at this level. So that's why we want to be patient and wait on this level. Why is that important? Because that is the high probability, low risk setup. If we get in prematurely, act hastily, you know, our edge is not there. Our edge is in, you know, being short or long in the zone. In this case right here, being short in the zone.
And you don't want to be limited that area. You just want to wait till see how price reacts.
Correct. So if price gets up here, to 40, 41, 42, I'm going to be limit. I'm going to be ready. You know how price gets in these zones, right? It's very competitive. Price will move fast in the zone. So I want to, as soon as price gets into that zone, it's a 5-point zone, I want to be limit short 43. But we see how price is reacting right here, right in front of the zone. Still, just be patient. Want to be patient. Our edge is being short in that zone. And we know about what? We know about those reversal patterns. We know about the reversal pattern. So we know that it's possible that it could be like as price gets right in front of the zone, then makes a higher high into the zone. That was a shoulder, right? So we look for that, the possibility of that head and shoulders, that reversal pattern into the zone. And what happens? So check it out. So if price does not get into 43, it doesn't get to the zone. So say right from right here, it drops. That's okay. It makes a lower low. We'll catch the next pullback. But we know our sentiment is correct, right? We know that we're trending down for the day, and we'll look for the next low risk, high probability setup to the downside. Patiently wait. Here we go. Patiently wait. Let price push up there. Just patiently wait. 3, the high 40. And with 43, with the high being 45, my stop will just be right inside. My stop will be right inside the distal line. So I may have to move my stop right outside the point to proven wrong. I'm gonna take mine off. Here we go. This place is getting up into here. Boom. Limit 43. Here we go. All right, so hit right into that proximal line. Came as high as 40 and 3/4. Okay, still eat. Here we go. 41.5. Here we go.
Order submitted.
42.5. You see where my stop placement is right there. Mhm. I am going to.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm going to get in again. Right here.
Order submitted.
At the high, right there. I'm going to get in right there.
Order filled.
Still in the zone. There we go. That's the whole zone. There we go. That whole zone. And that's kind of why I wanted to, even though it was a little bit more risk, wanted to move my stop to right outside the zone. But that's okay.
That's what I had.
That's what you did?
You know, I took the zone.
You took the zone? It's all right. It's all right. See right here, get the break even.
Target filled.
Go risk free. There it is right there. Boom. So you take two cracks. We got a zone, 5-point zone on a 5-point zone. Have a 5-point zone on a 1 minute chart. So it's okay to take multiple cracks at it. Go. See if these sellers come in right now. So we have no buy orders, no limit buy orders in this zone, and we see if more limit sell orders will come in. More limit sell and more sell market. More sell market orders coming into the market. Trap. Got them trapped. Got these bulls trapped, man. Hopefully got these bulls trapped.
That was my favorite play. I love a nice comeback trap.
Facts.
They don't see it coming, get to knock their head right off their shoulders.
Oh, man. Gotta keep your head on the swivel, bro. Keep your head on the swivel.
Especially if I'm on that line.
Man.
Cause I'm coming to eat.
Word up.
See, but that's what you gotta talk about. Like when you're saying we got those bulls trapped, better keep your head on a swivel. You know,
Yeah.
like that's the community coached your meal.
Yeah. Facts.
So talk your talk like with confidence, you know
Yeah.
what I mean?
Yeah, for sure. I got you. Facts.
Cause we gonna need a little bit of that cockiness that's gonna sell.
That's why. Yeah. That's why. That confidence. That's why. I got you. 100%. So let's zoom out. Zoom out a little bit here. Zoom out on the 5 minute. Boom. Mhm. 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 Yeah, here we go. Let's get these bulls trapped up in here, thinking that they're long, and more sell orders coming into the market, hopefully. Yeah. And if not, no worries, we're risk free, and we'll know with the change of guard happen if this market does go up from here. Price went as high as 44. Tag me to the tick. To the tick. Mhm.
Project your voice like you're teaching a class, not like you're talking to the computer.
All right, we'll do that. Hey, so Shannon, where are you at, man? From a standpoint of this, like, obviously we could trade asymmetrically right now. Risk one to make four, risk a dollar to make four. But like, where are you at? Like, with using lower time frames, you could get 10 points. You get 2 points on a trade and just be in and out of the market quick, fast. So like, whether that's 5 contracts, 500, 10 contracts, 1,000. Like, where are you at within your process? So like, from your psychology standpoint, that what's best for you?
It depends on which account that I'm trading. Like I do got so the 150K account I'm trying to trade. So I go less points. I'm using I'm only going for 4 points
Okay.
each trade.
Mhm.
And then on my the 25K and the 50K account, I'm using the 2 ticks. I'm just using 2 contracts and trying to get 6 ticks. 'Cause I think I
Six,
think
six ticks, or 6 point, like 6 ticks.
for first prop, I mean for the first.
Got you. Okay. Okay.
Maybe a break it because it seems like I do better with those. Because it gives me more. It makes me less anxious, more patient. Less emotional
Mhm.
because I know Mark is rated. I seem to be better at those with the smaller accounts.
Got you. Yeah, you wanna, when it comes to it, like at the end of the day, you obviously, you want to reduce the emotion,
Yeah. And
as soon as possible, and obviously being risk free reduces the fear factor. As prices going in your direction, definitely you can have the greed still come in, which is an emotion as well, but the fear.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then
Stop filled.
So stop. So we have a change of guard. See that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's cool.
because of the early stop on the figuring out
Mm-hmm.
and taking my profits. I don't know, not shooting for 10, shooting for
Yeah,
points.
I got it. So let's see here. So price just consumed that, and it's a good thing, man. Like price just consumed that supply zone, which we just saw. Cool, not a problem. Yeah, still may have an opportunity to be short here. Price rally up. Maybe 48. Looking for 48. This price get as high as 48. Looking at 48, possibly 48. 40. Ooh. That just happened really fast. That might, oh man, 48. 48, looking at 48. Yeah, literally.
Order submitted.
I would have, can't get that out of here. Looking at 48, yeah. You know what, might have to go 47. Yeah, gonna have to go. I'm going 46 and 46 and a half. Dang. Yeah. Hold on. Here we go. 47, 46. Oh boy. I'm gonna stay there. 46 and a half. 46 and a half. 46 and a half. 46 and a quarter. Oh boy. So the high was 47 and a quarter. Yeah, I don't know. As we talk about patience, right? Here we go. There we go. Come on. 46 and a quarter.
Order filled.
Alright, let's go with high. There we go. I'm in now. So really my stop should be about like at 40. My stop is at 48. Stop might possibly need to be at 49.50. But I'll take that. Again, I'll take that. I'll just stay with my stop there and then get back in. Yeah. No, I'll have to get back in. Initially, my stop was at 40. My initial entry is at 48. So I'll do like 48 and a half if it does get up there. But I like this area to be short. I like this area to be short of the trap. Speak louder. All right, so this is another potential trap area for these bulls. You know, after that big rally up off the asymmetry level. Again, we still have a high, a low, a lower high, and a lower low. So now this will be my last short though. This will be my last short, and that's the beauty of the levels right here. It helps you with reading the market. So if I see that these two supply zones have been taken out, right, and the buying has come in, then I'll change my sentiment. I'll switch my sentiment and adapt to the market. Right now though, we have a downtrend. Right now we have a downtrend. Keep our head on a swivel and adapt to the market. And we see it, right? This is a rally-based drop on a 1 minute time frame right here. Price rallies up, bases and drops right here. This is it. Put in the blue box. Boom. Price rallies up right here. Bases. So if price consumes this supply zone as well, we'll change our sentiment and adapt. Cool. Yeah, we trapped. Let's get these bulls trapped. Let's get them trapped up in here. And look at these market orders. Limit sell and market sell orders coming in. Short from 46 and a half. So we know we got to get below, you know, if I was just short at 43, you know, we got to get below 43 and then down here. That'd be a good sign though. First supply zone where we're short at 43, get below that, and then down into this, down to demand in 30, 38. So we got to see right now. if I get stopped out, I am gonna look at the top here. I'll look at this thing.
Stop filled.
Take it to 48. My intro was at 48. 48. The high, 49 and 3/4. 40. Let's see here. 46 and a half, 46 and a half. We went at 48, 47. Do 47. 47 and a quarter. Limit short.
Order submitted.
The zone. 47 and 3/4. First one size 48. My last entry was at 47 and a half. 46 and a half. 46 and a half. So that was break even. Look at this here. Now, typically, I don't want to be short from a worse price than I was before. I was short from 46 and a half. So if anything, 46 and a half again, but not. Dang it. And good. See the patience, man. 48. That order at 48. Not that I necessarily would have got filled at 48, based on where my order was, but dang. 46 and a half, 47. See something here. That's crazy. I'm going 46 and a half. Let's see, 46 and a half. Let's see if we get 46 and a half. 46 and a half again. When it's last 48. 46 and a half. Maybe. Let's go. I have to go. Literally my order at 48. 46 and a quarter. What's up? It's all good, man. That's all good.
Yeah.
We're gonna get it. It's a long way to the downside, Again, trading with the trend, But right here, this is 42. This is where that demand was. This is where that change of guard was, where we was initially short. So, if looking for the push up off of where we were short, that change of guard. So looking to get above here. So we'll short right there. Yeah, here we go. Patient. Or is that gonna be demand to make a higher high into the zone? We'll find out right now. That's why don't chase. Don't chase. 6.5. Literally was short at 43. First short was at 43, and then that change of guard right there. So there got to be some more demand right there. Push up to get short. Here we go. Come on. I like this. Getting now. Let's see. This is that level. So now, man, this is a part, man, where you know, again, it's a 5-point zone. You could scale in. So I'm just gonna 46 and a half. When it's at 45 and a half. This is where we was initially short. Yeah, I think may have to adjust. And scale in. Man, initially 48 to the tick, man. That's what. Yeah, man, I'm gonna have to go get this. 45 and a half. I'm gonna go 45. And it's a long ways to the downside, so look. Adjust. Yeah. 44 and a half. Yeah, okay, 45. 45, 2, 1, 2. Not even getting filled.
Order filled.
All right. So I'm out there. I'll stop above the high. 47. Now if price gets up to that's 45. So price gets up to 47, I'll scale in, and if price gets above that, I'll scale more in. But yeah, I gotta, get in because I like the supply zone in the downtrend. So this is what I was talking about earlier, Shannon, about scaling in, right? And having an average position. And now, for instance, if I do get in more, then I could get out and then get my whole position in. Because I'll have an average position. So for instance, if I get short
Order submitted.
another 2 contracts here, I'll have an average position. I'll have an average short position of like 46. And then when price gets to break even, I could close the whole thing, and then I get in. And then I'll be able to get in with my whole position at a better price. That makes sense? Because I want to be a part of this move. I gotta be a part of this move to the downside, man. We're in a downtrend. We just seen this right here. This is where we was initially short from. Initially short 43. Got stopped out. For break even. Right here, we're consuming that demand, and now once we consume that demand, we should go down. Three. Yeah. And I think you should even still, man, with the same thought process, because the market, like again, we're getting in at highly competitive areas, and where there's more buyers than sellers, clearly. So you could still implement the same thing, taking profit, because price is going to come back. So get your position to break even or risk free. Like right now, this is more than 6 ticks, more than 7 ticks. So take profit, buy a contract back.
Order filled.
And then when price comes back, short again. Now if we're trading if we're in a downtrend, which we are, high, low, lower, high, lower, low, even still 10 points on a contract, $500 a contract, trading asymmetrically, up for the day. But more importantly, if price comes back up here, you could be short again.
Okay. Yeah, I missed it. I was trying to.
You're not in the position at all?
I didn't get in this. I mean, I was trying to see where you were getting at. It was moving a little bit. I missed it.
Oh man. All right. Well, 45 again. If it comes higher, it has some.
Yeah.
Let's do this. But man, this was the whole zone right here. It just literally man. This thing's gonna go. $45 or above. At first I was saying 46 and a quarter I like.
Talk about audibles based upon when you see different moves in the market, it's like the safety coming up. Now you got an audible, you know what I mean?
Okay.
It was in at 45, 46, but now it's at 45 because there was this move. So that's like the safety coming up. So now we audible, we're gonna go over top.
You gotta go exactly. All right. You want me to make that parallel?
No, I'm just saying like different tips, because if you're gonna go with the coach, the deal, and the theme,
Yeah.
those are just little tips.
Ivan, you good? This is the move. There they are. There they are. They're coming in.
Yeah, I'm in there.
Yeah.
I be shooting, bro. You told me to shoot. I shoot. I
Trying
shoot.
to figure out exactly what they.
That's my dog right there.
Yeah, I just start spraying.
Start saying,
That's my dog right there. You tell me to shoot, I start shooting.
Shooting, man.
Ivan is definitely a shooter.
Facts. Shoot. So yeah, this is it right here, and then get down to 40, right here. This is the rally base rally right here. We got this. So you see how we had to adapt, man. This is the zone in the downtrend, and now we're gonna have little pockets. Now it's just a matter of this little, pocket demand right here gonna push price up. How far is it gonna push price up? That's why we take profit. Yeah. Right there, boom. Or we're gonna do like this: consume that demand, consume this demand, and continue to the downside. But this is our low risk. This is our low risk, high probability trade in a downtrend. In a downtrend, like, man, it doesn't get no clearer than that. Boom, boom, boom. That right there, and then continue to the downside. If we're gonna make a lower low, that's it. Mean. Yeah. Boom. So now, man, like, what's your thoughts, man? After now seeing it, like, right, on a 1 minute time frame, we had this right here, this drop base drop right there, then this one right here, this rally base drop. What you think from a standpoint of just simplicity? Just like, you have a 5-point zone. Should you just one contract, and some of your position, just like an institution, you're not going to get filled on. You're not going to get filled on the whole thing, and you're okay with that, and just manage it from there. And it's less emotion with that, and it's less risk as opposed to all in, all out. You see what I'm saying? But the key, the foundation is identifying that zone correctly. And then once you have that zone identified, then you can base your risk parameters off that zone, and then plan your trade accordingly. Yeah, we should be down. Get through that. That's a nice pullback. Yeah. So now naturally, right? If we trading with the trend, right? High, low, lower, high, lower, low. At least we know that we could go. Price is gonna get down here. If not, make a lower low. So we don't need to be here. You could take your 10 points, or bring it down trading with the trend. And that's it, man. We're gonna fucking kill it, bro. We're gonna kill it.
It's too easy.
Facts, bro.
He said facts.
Yeah, facts. Look at this, man. And you didn't get in, Shannon?
No, it's all good.
Missed out on the bag.
It's all good. We'll get it. All right, but again, so bro, it's 12 o'clock, man. It's 4 hours left in the session. There's 4 hours left in the session. If this thing makes a lower low, we're gonna catch the next one. So you know what to look for. This pattern right here, this drop base drop, rally base drop. Especially if price makes a lower low. So 45, 10 points right there down here. That's what I said. Price is gonna have a hiccup down here. Press is gonna have a hiccup down here. Cancel that order, press and get back up
Order
there.
canceled.
Yeah, Iron Man, but you're the only West Coast player anymore. That was your,
Like that. There we go. This all is coming.